In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add dual clock digit to your iPhone lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and you need to swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up our lock screen, and then just a long press somewhere at an empty space to activate that mod. After that, down below top add Customize and select Lock Screen. Then top right here add that to be just bar. First of all, we need to remove all our existing videos from here. And after that, all we have to do is just scroll down a bit until you find clock. That's where we need to choose. That one CD digital. Just stop at that widget to put it right here. And then also, we need to top add the widget you just added, and that allows us to set custom time for that widget. I'm just gonna select some random CD. And here also, if you would like to add one more widget, let's say you would like to monitor current time into different cities, except our current time. We can easily do so in that way. So we can add a couple of these widgets here. And in that widget, we can just set different location. Let's say that one, and now we can just close it. Close this, and then just hit at done. And now, as you can see, we got here our current time. And also, we can check time into different cities at once. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button